Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to screen record WhatsApp video call on iPhone, step by step. Now let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and tap on the Calls tab. This is where you can view your recent calls and start a new one. Next, tap the plus icon to select the contact you want to call. Once selected, tap on the video icon to begin a WhatsApp video call with that person. As soon as the call starts, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. This is where you can access quick tools like screen recording. Now, find the screen recording icon. It looks like a solid circle inside a larger circle, and it's usually near the bottom of the Control Center. Tap and hold the screen recording icon to bring up more options. This lets you choose where to save your recording and whether or not to include audio. Make sure to set the recording destination to Photos or whichever location you prefer. This is where your video will be saved once the call ends. Then, tap on the microphone icon to turn on audio recording. This is important if you want to capture the voice in your WhatsApp call. Once that's done, swipe down again and simply tap the screen recording button to begin recording your video call. After your call ends, stop the recording by tapping the red status bar at the top of the screen and then tap Stop. Your recorded video will be saved in your Photos app or the destination you chose earlier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips and tricks.